What does the Chicago style pizza tell us about Chicago?
Define Chicago style pizza.
The deep dish.
So you say that, but there's way more thin crust pizza eaten in Chicago than deep dish. And most Chicagoans eat deep dish very rarely, only when people are visiting from out of town. Deep dish did not become a popular thing until the 70s. It's very recent, but it's more famous because it's so obviously different from New York style. And New York style is sort of like this big champion of pizza. And Chicago deep dish is a little different, but its reflection on its home, just deep dish, shows how Chicago is the opposite type of city from New York. It's not a pedestrian town. It's cold. And people want to sit inside, have a couple of beers, and they're happy to wait the 40 minutes for the deep dish pizza to bake. It's not a by the slice culture at all. So the reason that New York slice shops don't work well in Chicago is the same reason that deep dish pizzerias don't work in New York. Because they're different cultural cities. That's it. New Yorkers don't want to wait.